That's a car time.
What do we got here? A racetrack with the double loops?
It's eating the car.
No, don't eat the car. Let's set it up. Open it up, Cash. Here's the dinosaur and here's the car.
And that's everything. Here's how you use it. See this car? You put it right here. You press down on this, go through the double loop.
The double loops.
Into the ramp and into the dinosaur and then out the tail at the finish line. Can the car make it?
Show us how it's done. It worked! Yeah! It got stuck in his mouth. I'm hungry. Time to go eat me some cash. Da da da. Put his head back together. Fire! Ah.
Into the pool.
Yes! Bye, car! Look, it's driving! We're on the diving board!
Into the deep end!
Whoa! Let's do it! There it goes! It's driving to the center! Go, go, go!
We're going down the stairs!
Whoa! Go, flip! Yes, it made it all the way! High five! High five!
It landed!
What? It landed? Where is it? Oh, there it is! See if you can make it to me. Yes! To the wall! Ah! My foot! Across the table onto the chair.
Holy cow!
Launch the car! That is so cool. Ow, my thumb!
That's okay.
Fire!
How about you put your finger here?
What do you want me to do? I don't understand. Ow!
That did not even hurt.
What?
It did not.
Okay, to sleep. Ah! Are you ready to tear this apart? 3, 2, 1. Ah! Yeah! Oh! Oh no! Run! Run! No! Oh! Ow! Hey, you could use that as a bat.
No.
Oh, he got it! It's a home run! Oh! No!